This is going to be a video tutorial on how to mute or unmute videos by default on the Twitch app using an iPhone. Let me jump over to my phone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on Twitch. To mute or unmute videos in your feed by default, first thing you want to do is open up settings. I'm going to go off to the lower right hand corner down to my little profile icon. I'm going to tap on that. Then in the upper left-hand corner, the little gear wheel, I'm going to tap on the gear wheel. That opens up the settings page, and on the settings page, right down here, preferences, I'm going to tap on preferences. And right in this area here, mute feed by default. It says videos will be muted by default. Tap the unmute button or use your device's volume control. As you can see, my videos are being muted by default. I have it toggled on, but if I toggle it off, my videos will not be muted by default. Another option you have right down below that is autoplay videos. You could choose when videos will autoplay as you scroll. That is how to mute or unmute videos by default on Twitch. Thanks for watching.